Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you a quick video on a tool we just got in the shop. It's going to make our wrenching a little more organized in here, because sometimes, you got tools all over the place. This will make it a little easier. This is what it is, guys. The OEM Tools 29-inch teardown tray. This thing, we've been wanting this for a while. Actually, we ordered it almost 2 weeks ago. It took a while to come in, but we've been wanting this for a while. It is the green color. You can see up here, a lot of our stuff is green. We kind of like that color. We have some more OEM Tools items. We have the nut cups. Those things are handy as heck. A lot of green stuff, but this here's going to make we got a Chrysler Pacifica in the shop today. We're going to be changing the power steering pump, changing the fun task. So this will be a good time to put this together and put it to use, see what it does for us. So with that being said, let's get this box torn open and put this thing together. You can see this here. What we got is this bolt that goes in here to tighten for adjust your height. We're gonna have to tap out this hole a little bit. The threads are a little boogered, so this won't go in. I mean, I did read the reviews on that. People were saying that, so it was to be expected. The only other thing, when I opened it up, excuse me, the badge that goes on there, it's a double-sided tape, came unstuck. No big deal, we'll stick it back on. Like when I was saying that we got a good deal on this, I wasn't lying to you. We got, normally these like 120, 129 bucks. We put it in our cart one time, and then I happened to go on there, it's holiday shopping time. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, if you're doing your, if you want to help support the channel, you're doing your normal shopping, just click through our Amazon link. It helps our channel out. It's an affiliate link, and you get some Christmas shopping done at the same time. We appreciate that support. We're anyway. This was in our cart, and we happened to go on there and look, and it was, I seen it for $61. I couldn't press that buy now button fast enough, and here it is. So it was like half price. Can't beat that. So maybe you can get a deal like that too. But let's get this tapped out. We'll get going. Those are pretty clean. So pretty much it was the threads on the nut itself, or the bolt itself. Looks to be a little, doesn't sit flat, guys. It is slightly, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's slightly off. It's like it's twisted a little bit. It's got a slight twist in it. This table's level too, so maybe if we loosen these, they seem to do the trick, guys. Don't over tighten that when it tweaks it. And we'll tighten these back up. Looks pretty good. pretty nice. We'll put the foam back. We'll put the foam back in it. These things that go in the tray, they're a little thin and flimsy. I think possibly you might want to get some of those drawer liners or something from Harbor Freight, Home Depot or something that go into your toolbox and replace these with something a little more durable. I don't see these lasting long, or if you have to clean them. This is her. It's pretty nice. Like I said, except for this, a little thin. It feels a little cheap. It's like a thin roll. It's like a thin foam. I don't see that lasting long. It's got a nice bump rail here. It is like we said, it is adjustable height. I mean, right here looks good for me. It's about a little higher than bench height, but you can see this is where you can adjust your height and lock it in. 4 casters. It's going to be a nice tray. We're going to put this to the test. The thing we were talking about, the OEM tools thing that goes on here, fell off. I'm going to get some cleaner, clean that off, and I'll stick it on. But it is metal, pretty nice. It's got all the things to plug the hole, so pretty good deal. Here we are, guys. We're into it pretty deep right now. Got it off there. But the tray's working awesome. Stuff's handy right at, so I don't have to bend down. It's all right there. Gotta love that. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the OEM Tools 29-inch teardown tray. We love the thing. It's working great for us. If you're interested in getting yourself one, the link will be in the description. If you guys like this video, click that thumbs up button. That really helps us out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that little bell notification so you get our videos as they come out. Check us out on Instagram. Until next time, guys, do a little bit of everything.